Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to activate Disney Plus with Club Lloyds. Firstly, after opening or upgrading to a Club Lloyds account, you will receive a welcome email from Club Lloyds. This email contains a link to the activation page. Click the link in the email to navigate to the Club Lloyds Lifestyle Benefits portal. If it's your first time accessing the portal, you'll need to create a password. Now, once logged in, choose Disney Plus from the list of available lifestyle benefits, and after selecting Disney Plus, you'll be redirected to the Disney Plus website to create your account and start your subscription. If you already have a Disney Plus subscription, you can still take advantages by the benefit. You'll need to cancel your current subscription and reactivate it through the Club Lloyds offer to avoid double billing. The Club Lloyds benefit provides a 12-month standard with ads. Disney Plus subscription. Upgrading to an ad-free tier isn't available through this offer. You have 30 days from opening your Club Lloyds account to select your lifestyle benefit. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.